Hey guys, I'm back here. So, a few days ago, my mom bought this for me. It's another Rubik's Cube. Yeah, let's just shovel it and speed run it again. Okay, wait me for a few minutes, please. Okay, I'm back. So I think I've been able to do it like really messy. Like I think I did a great job. Okay, so let's 3, 2, 1, start now. Okay, it's already 2 now. We are making some progress. Okay, it's really hot here. Let's just see what to do next. Okay, so I think you are supposed to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh wait, I did the wrong thing. You should do the U again. Yeah, from the normal Rubik's Cube. A U, yeah. I think you should do this right again. Yeah, do this 2 times and do with this another 2 times. Here you go. Here we go. Now we have 3 sides completed. We just do the U again and we'll get what we want. Great. Now this one will be here, so let's do it. So now you're supposed to move your left hand here, but you need to move your right. Because if you turn 2 times there, this will like turn 2 times and it will be like upside down, so it won't fit right here because it's not flat. So you have to do it 2 times. And the Rubik's Cube's rule is that if you do the last sequence wrong, you can do it again and not having to complete the cube again. So it's the last move. So let's go. So turn left, so use right hand. Okay, and this time turn right, so it's right hand again. Okay, and you successfully did the really hard not flat Rubik's Cube. And something to show you though. You just do this and you get a really cool pattern. Yeah. I just found it somehow. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And also something to show you. If you do this and repeat and don't repeat, you get something real cool. Just look at this. Yo, how to get it back.